Hey friends, happy Thankful Thursday. Today we're going to look more at the main idea and we're going to use some short stories. So before we start, our statement is good readers think about more than what is on the page. They look for the most important ideas in the selection. They use that information to better understand what they read. And we're going to be looking at some short stories. But before we do that, we're going to be looking at a little presentation to give us some more information about finding the main idea. What is the main idea? The main idea of a paragraph, series of paragraphs, or a whole work is what the selection is mostly or mainly about. It is an important idea that the author wants the reader to remember. The main idea should be captured in a single sentence. Dogs are a man's best friend is a good example. Finding the main idea. Some main ideas are stated directly in the text. They are sometimes found at the beginning or the end of a paragraph. They can also be found in the middle of a paragraph. Some main ideas must be inferred from the text. So that means you just need to make an inference to figure it out. A reader must think about the topic and look at what the details are mostly about. Let's go to the next page. Okay, then we're going to move to a different series of stories to give us a little bit of information about more about finding the main idea. So let me see if I can make that a little smaller. Monkeys have many feelings. They can feel angry. Sometimes they can feel happy too. They can feel sad or lonely. They can even feel scared. Monkeys can be kind and gentle sometimes. Monkeys have many feelings just like you and I. The main idea, what is the passage mostly about? And they're letting us know that the clue word is feel is a clue word. The main idea is that monkeys have feelings. Here are the supporting facts. Monkeys can feel angry or happy. Monkeys can feel sad or lonely. Monkeys can feel free, can feel scared. Monkeys have feelings like you and I. That information is all located within the paragraph. That supports the main idea. And in this example, the main idea is actually found in the first sentence, just like we have learned in the past and read in our other anchor charts. Okay, now we're going to have a series of stories that we're going to work through together. All right, finding the main idea. One second. Finding the main idea. Make sure this is the right one. Yeah, okay. Finding the main idea, plants. So we need to read the paragraph and then we're going to find our own main idea here. Just like humans, plants need water and food to survive. Plant food comes in the form of nutrients. Plants get nutrients from the soil. They get water and nutrients from the soil through their roots. Plants also need sun and air in order to grow. If plants don't have enough light, they will be weak and won't grow. In order to live, plants need food, water, soil, sun, and air. Okay, so it looks like there's information that is similar in the first sentence and also in the last sentence. So I believe that my main idea is going to come from those two sentences. There's clues there. So let's see. I'm going to type the main idea here. Not planets. Whoops. Okay, so I just said plants need food, water, soil, sun, and air to survive. That's in my own words. That's what the instructions said to do, to write it in my own words. So I looked at the clues in the first and the last sentence and I put it into my own words. All right, let's go to the next one. The title is Friends. Friends are always there for each other. It's wonderful to have friends. Friends like to play and talk. Friends may not always get along, but they will always work to make up. When friends are sad, they will help each other be happy. No matter what, friends are always there for each other. Okay, so I'm going to look at the first sentence and the last sentence to see if there are any clues about the main idea in those two sentences. Friends are always there for each other. No matter what, friends are always there for each other. Well, sounds pretty obvious here. So let's see. I think the main idea is always there for each other. Something like that would be considered the main idea. Let's go to the next one. Okay, finding the main idea. Dogs. I love dogs. Let's see. Dogs are great pets. They like to play fetch and learn tricks. Dogs love to cuddle and protect their owners. People need to walk dogs, which helps them get lots of exercise. All in all, dogs make amazing pets. All right, let's look at the first sentence. Dogs are great pets. The last sentence says, all in all, dogs make amazing pets. So we could put this into our own words and we can make we could come up with the main idea, determine the main idea. So let's see. I'm going to say, dogs are wonderful pets to have. Okay, we have one more that we're going to work on. The title of this one's Apples. All right, let's see. Apples grow on trees. There are lots of different kinds of apples. Ooh, I'm even having connections from when we learned about apples in our class. Some apples are sweet and others are sour. Apples can be red, green, yellow, or a mix of colors. Ooh, make a connection to when we did the apple taste test. Apples can be made into pie, applesauce, or eaten on their own. But no matter what kind, all apples grow on trees. All right, let's look at the first sentence and the last sentence, and I think it's going to be pretty obvious what the main idea is here. It says, but no matter what, all apples grow on trees. All right. I think the main idea is that all apples grow on trees. No matter what shape, color, size, kind, they grow on trees. Okay, so now it's going to be your turn. It's going to be up to you. Ooh. And you're going to be working on finding the main idea in these short paragraphs. So this is going to be sent to you in an email. And all you need to do is read the paragraph and pick out what the main idea is. Then you can number these paragraphs as 1, 2, and 3 and just give me an answer. Write the answer down. You could print this and circle that. Or you could use your word journal and you could say, paragraph 1, the main idea. Write which sentence is the main idea. Paragraph 2, write which sentence is the main idea. Paragraph 3, write which one is the main idea out of the options, okay? That's what I'll be looking for. And then you can just take a picture of it and send it to me, or take a picture of this printed and send it to me also. I'm looking forward to seeing your work.